Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be updating you on a platform that I shared here some time ago. This platform is an investment site and it's called Money Making Hub. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a live withdrawal so that you get to see that the platform is still paying. So I will leave the video in the description, the previous video or the last video that I kept on this platform, so that you can actually watch and then start making some extra income out of that. Before we begin, you have to know that I am not your financial advisor. Therefore, you have to do your research on any of the platforms that I share here so that you can actually go in and then invest. So I'm going to show you a live withdrawal proof for you to see that the platform is still paying. So once you access the platform, this is how it looks like. Just go ahead and click on start. So this is the main menu, as you can see from here. From the menu, you have pack, you have information, you have account balance, recharge, withdraw, and a whole bunch of stuff. So you watch the video to understand how all this really works. So I'm actually going to check my account balance now. So you can see, you just have to click on account balance. Once I do that, you can see that my account balance is 300 Ghana cedis, as you see now. So I'm actually going to withdraw this 300 Ghana cedis. Remember, the platform actually deducts 15% off the amount that you're going to withdraw, which means that they're going to be deducting 15% off my 300 Ghana cedis I'm going to withdraw, which means that I'm expected to receive an amount of 255 Ghana cedis. So if you want to know the package, you just go ahead and click on packs. So this is the packs that we have available. You can invest 200 cedis, you earn 5%. You can invest 500 all the way to 5,000 and you'll be getting 5% daily, and each package is valid for 40 days. So you just have to go ahead and click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you just have to go ahead and enter the captcha as you see. So capital E, D, W and R, and then you confirm the captcha. So after the captcha is confirmed, you go ahead and click on cash out. So now the next thing you need to do is to provide your account name. So I'm going to input here my account name. Then after you're done, you click on send. Then you provide your phone number to receive the money. After you send this as well. Now the amount you want to withdraw. So the money I have in my account is 300 cedis. I'm going to provide 300. So I want to withdraw 300 Ghana cedis. I'm going to send this as well. And then you can see it says withdrawal requests are expected to arrive within 0 to 48 hours. Should in case you encounter any delays beyond the time frame, you contact your customer service for assistance. So I'm actually going to wait for some few minutes to see whether the account will be credited or not. So let's wait. Whatever happens, I'll be notified. Whether they are processing, whatever should happen, I'll actually receive another notification. So let's wait and see whatever happens. Alright, so you can see the state of my balance has been changed from by negative 300, which means that they've actually deducted the amount I withdraw, which is 300 Ghana cedis. So if I go back and then check my account balance, you realize that my account balance is what? It's now 0 cedis, which means they've actually deducted the amount. So I'm expecting to receive my withdrawal. So let's see if the withdrawal will arrive. So let's wait and see whether it's going to be processed or not. Alright, so you can see I've actually received the withdrawal. So you can see amount of 255 Ghana cedis has been received from Money Making Hub. So this is a proof that Money Making Hub is still paying. So if you want to invest, you can actually go ahead and then look for the packages or look out for the packages. Decide the amount you want to invest and then you'll be getting 5% daily. Note that the minimum withdrawal is 25 cedis. So once you meet minimum withdrawal, you can actually cash out. So that's basically all that I need you to know about the platform. It is actually paying, and then if you want to invest, the time is now. You can also decide to go in and then also invest. Thank you all for your time and see you in the next video.